Hi friends, today is rainy day here. Despite the weather, I came with video today to share an update about TVS Jupiter. Company now updated standard version of Jupiter with not one but three useful features. First, the standard version now gets engine kill switch, so no longer need to turn the key to off engine. Second, the all-in-one key lock, which was earlier available in ZX version, now available in standard version also. So riders can now open fuel under seat storage without removing key from the hole. By including all-in-one key, earlier keyhole on side panel now removed. Third useful update on standard version is it comes with factory-fitted USB mobile charging port now. As there is no official update about these features, information about any price change not available now. Get in touch with us for more updates.